Hi, I'm John. Today I'm going to be doing like a simple holiday makeup look. It's Christmas today and I'm going to be doing like a little look that you could wear to like a holiday party or something, you know? So I want like a nice base to like put my makeup over. I'm going to be going in with some rose water just to like hydrate my face. This is from Alteya Organics. It's just like 100% pure Bulgarian rose water. I'm gonna go in with some of the Farsali volcanic elixir. And I actually just got this for Christmas, so I'm pretty excited to use this, you know? So today's makeup look, I'm thinking about just doing like winged eyeliner with like a neutral eyeshadow and like wispy lashes and like red lips, you know what I'm saying? Holiday look. So I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Ebony and a little angled eyeliner brush. So whenever I fill in my eyebrows, I always start with the underside, like in the middle, like right underneath the arch. And then I'll just kind of go from there and fill in the tail of the brow before I go ahead and fill the top of the brow. And then at the end, I'll fill in the very front of the brow just by like blending it out in the front. So it's not like Sharpie eyebrows, you know? And when I'm done with that, I'll just go in with my spoolie. So those are both my eyebrows done. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and like conceal my eyebrows, you know? So I'm going in with this little brush. It's from e.l.f. It's called this small smudge brush. It looks like that. Can you see it? It's like a small little flat brush. It's like a smaller version of like a concealer brush, you know? And the concealer I'm gonna be using is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Ginger. So I just put a couple of dots around my eyebrow. So I'll clean up the top of my brows with the NARS in Ginger, but that's more like my skin tone. So for underneath, just to kind of highlight a little bit too and to prime my eyelid, I'll conceal my eyebrows with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Macadamia. So I'm just going to use the same concealer in Macadamia just to kind of prime my eyelids. So I'm just going to set my eyelids with a little bit of a setting powder. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes. It's just a Laura Mercier powder, but it's like the under eye one, so it has like a little bit of shimmer to it. And I'm going to be doing that with an e.l.f. blending brush, like that. So what setting it with the powder will do, it'll just like prevent any creasing and make it like nice and smooth. But I'm just going to be setting my under eyes for now, not like when I concealed over the brow. So once I'm done setting it, for the eye look today, I just want to have like, I don't really want to do like eyeshadow or anything. I just want to have like a bold wing and like some wispy eyelashes. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Pretty Fun and Fearless palette by Ciate London. And I'm going to be taking this shade called On Fire. It's like a warm brown shade, just a little bit on the same brush. And just kind of like blending that all over like my lid and my crease. So after that, I'm going to be taking my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I'm going to be going in with, do you pronounce that like Ode or something? Just like the dark brown shade over there. I'm just going to be like focusing that really on my crease. And I'm going to be packing it with this brush, but I'm going to go in and blend it out with another brush. I'm just going to focus out on my outer V. And I'm kind of gonna blend it like upwards like that to kind of elongate my eye a little bit and make it more like almond shaped. So I'm gonna be blending that darker brown color out with an e.l.f. brush. It doesn't really say anything else on it, but it's just like an eyeshadow brush. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna do some winged eyeliner. I'm gonna be using the NYX Epic Ink Liner, like this. When I do liner, I don't like to bring it all the way in, but that's just my personal preference. I kind of like stop it halfway, but also make the wing like pretty thick. So just like that. Those are my two wings. They're not like super equal, but like it's whatever. I can work with it. Next I'm going to be using some mascara. This is the Kush mascara by Milk Makeup. I don't really feel like putting on falsies, but I mean, I was gonna do like a wispy eyelash thing, but like I'm too lazy to put on falsies, you know? But if you want to put on falsies, go right ahead. And I'm gonna go in with some like eyeliner pencil like on my tight line just to make my eyelashes look thicker. Now I'm gonna be going with a primer, so we're gonna start on the face now. The primer I'm gonna be using is the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer. To keep it a stack with you, this song isn't like that good, but it's low-key a bop. Like I have these Cover Effects. It's like a liquid highlighter, and I have like the little mini one. So I'm just gonna be putting a little on like the high points of my face, just so that like the makeup looks really glowy on top. So next up, I'm gonna be going in with some foundation, and this is the Bobbi Brown Skin Foundation, and this is in Warm Honey or 5.5. So I just spread that out a little bit with my fingers. I'm gonna go in with a beauty blender, and this has been damp too, just to kind of blend that out. So next up, I'm gonna be going with some under eye concealer. So first, I like to use this like, it's kind of color correcting, like it has a peachy undertone, Clinique airbrush concealer, and this is in 02 medium. So just a little bit of this like right like underneath my eye, like where my dark circle is, just to kind of cancel out like the purples and stuff. So I'm gonna go in with the NARS Creamy Concealer in Ginger, like around that. And then I'll go in with some more of the NARS Rating Creamy Concealer, and I'll go in with Macadamia, like over where I put the airbrush concealer, and this will just kind of like even out the skin tone. I'm going to be contouring my nose with the Fenty Matchsticks and Mocha. And I'll kind of go in and contour my cheekbones a little with that. I'm going to be going in with the same Laura Mercier under eye powder, like under my eyes. And then whatever is left on the sponge, I'll just kind of go over my forehead, like the rest of my face. I will set the perimeter of my face a little with this MAC mineral powder. It's in dark golden. It's a little darker than my skin tone, so that's why I like use it for the perimeter of my face. Oh, and I did that with this really like big fluffy brush. It's not that dense. I'll bronze with the Benefit Hoola bronzer with this other Eco Tools brush. It's more dense and smaller. Now I'll like brush off my bake. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter, and I'm gonna be using the Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. I'm gonna take like a smaller brush and put a little bit on the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose, and I think I'm just gonna go over the sides of my nose with a little bit of bronzer. And I'm going to go over with highlight over my brow bone and my inner corners. I'm going to go in with some setting spray because I'm just about done with the face. This is the Urban Decay setting spray and the all-nighter. Last but not least, do lip. This is where the entire holiday thing comes in. So, red lips. The Velvet Matte from Victoria's Secret. I'm gonna super duper quickly go over with some gloss, and this is the Fenty Glow Gloss Bomb. And that completes the look. I hope you enjoyed, and it's really pretty and glowy. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel below, and I'll see you guys next time.